Hi, welcome to Sweet Rock. My name is Sarahottey and I'm the real estate broker at myntrealtyco. I'm about to take you into this charming 3-bedroom home in the hills of St. James. It's about 15 minutes from Montego Bay and just under 3,000 square feet. It has the most gorgeous sea views and mountain views. Let's take a look inside. So this is the entryway here, and you can see you have really high ceilings, lovely finish on the walls, very unique, and walk straight into the living area. And what's great about this living area is that it has 3 access points leading out onto the wraparound veranda. So you have these wonderful French doors that just let a lot of light and ventilation into the home. You'll notice this beautiful beam on the ceiling, an old artifact that was reclaimed and used in the house. So it's, just giving that extra touch of character. And then heading out onto the veranda here, you have a sweet little dining area here for alfresco dining and overlooking the garden. And then it heads out to a nice seating area here, and it all overlooks the beautiful sea view. Again, this patio wraps right around, and you'll notice little details like the cut stone wall facade and this really interesting detail above the doorways. They're railway ties taken from, the old railways. So lots of history, lots of character. And veranda goes all the way around, and you just have these incredible views from every angle. So we're heading into the kitchen. And what I love about this kitchen as well is that right outside of the window, you have a window box that has these fresh herbs that you can just pick and, use directly when you're cooking. So from here, I'm going to take you across to the bedroom and the bathroom on the ground floor. Every bedroom in this house has a sea view, and every bedroom in this house has at least 3 walls with windows. So the next area, we're going to head up to the upstairs, which has a feature that I absolutely adore. These the stairway with the little tile inlays, and then up on the landing we have this amazing window that just looks right out onto the front garden. And you have the bamboo in the background, which just, you hear it blowing in the wind, and it just makes this peaceful sound, very tranquil. You can hear the birds singing in the distance. And here we are in the second bedroom. Again, you'll notice 3 windows on the 3 walls, and another spectacular sea view that you can, see from your bed or from your desk. All the bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms. And then from here, I will take you into the master bedroom. And now this is the place for the view. You have just an absolutely spectacular view from every window in this bedroom. And from here, of course, the master bedroom also has a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom, just overlooking the sea and the garden. That completes the tour. So I hope you enjoyed it, and If you like the video, please go ahead and subscribe for more videos, and like and share with your friends. Take care. Bye bye.